Hey coffee lovers, Erica here, and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Breville Barista Touch Impress espresso machine, a game changer for anyone who wants cafe-quality coffee at home. If you're tired of spending big bucks at coffee shops, stick around to see why this machine might be your new best friend. Let's get brewing. First, let's break down what makes the Breville Barista Touch Impress so special. This isn't just an espresso machine, it's like having a personal barista. It's got a built-in grinder with 30 settings, so you can dial in the perfect grind for your beans. The Impress Puck system is a standout, automatically tamping your coffee grounds with just the right pressure for a consistent shot every time. The 3-second heat-up time, thanks to the ThermoJet system, means you're not waiting around for your morning latte. Plus, the touchscreen display walks you through every step, from grinding to frothing, with real-time feedback. It even saves up to 8 custom drink profiles, so your flat white or cappuccino is always just a tap away. And let's not forget the hands-free milk frother. It creates silky microfoam for that perfect latte art. Now let's talk pros and cons. The pros are huge. This machine is beginner-friendly, so whether you're new to espresso or a seasoned pro, it's easy to use. The guided touchscreen makes it feel like you've got a coffee coach right there with you. It's also fast. 3 seconds from powering on to pulling a shot is unreal. The stainless steel design looks sleek and durable, and the built-in grinder saves counter space. On the flip side, it's not cheap, retailing around $1,000, which might be a stretch for some budgets. Some users on Reddit mentioned the learning curve for perfecting milk frothing, and a few noted minor durability concerns, like dents or scuffs on used units. But overall, the feedback is solid, with many calling it a dream for home baristas. So, who's this for? If you love coffee, want to save money on cafe runs, and enjoy experimenting with espresso, this machine is a fantastic pick. It's perfect for beginners who want guidance and pros who want control. The price is an investment, but if you're serious about your coffee game, the features and quality make it worth considering. Ready to level up your coffee at home? Check out the Breville Barista Touch Impress on Amazon using the link in the description below. Rick's Review Hub has you covered with the best pricing and special promotional offers, so don't miss out. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like, share it with your coffee-loving friends, and hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.